guys, welcome to day 4 of data analysis study with me. Today we will see how to clean messy data using Excel quickly and professionally. Let's get into the video. Let's see duplicates. How to remove duplicates in Excel. I have a student column here. You can clearly see there is a duplicate, Trisha. It was typed twice by a mistake. So let's remove duplicate from this table. To remove duplicates, let's select this student column and let's go to data tab, and let's remove the duplicates and click OK. So you can see the duplicate has disappeared. Then let's calculate the length of this characteristics. Our rule, it's a 4-letter. So let's calculate it using a length function equal to len. Let's open the bracket and click on the text, and let's close the bracket and click enter. So I got the answer 4. Prabhu is a 6-letter word, but I can see there is a space in front. So let's calculate equal to len. Let's open the bracket and click Prabhu and close the bracket and click enter. I can see there is 4 characteristics is added because of the space in front. Let's calculate for other 4s by just placing the cursor down and dragging it till the last one. So you can see Purani is a 7-letter, but I got 11. So there is a space in front or back. So we need to remove it so the data will be clean. Vishnupriya is 6 plus 5, it's 11-letter, but you can see there is 21. So there is lot of space here. Kishore is a 7-letter, but you can see it's 8. So there is a space in front. Trisha is a 6-letter, but you can see 7. There is a space or special characteristics over here. So let's use trim function and remove the space in front or back of all these 6 students' name equal to trim. Let's open the bracket and select the student name, close the bracket and click enter. So let's apply this formula for all other 6 students by just placing the cursor in the down and just dragging it till the last name. So you can see every spaces, unwanted spaces that are present in the student column has been removed. So now let's calculate the length, the characteristic, how many characteristics are there in this corrected student column after removing the unwanted space equal to len. Let's open the bracket and select first characteristic and let's close the bracket and click enter. So it's 4. The first one was already correct. So after removing the unwanted space using trim function, it's same 4. Let's check for Prabhu equal to len. Let's open the bracket and select the name. Let's close the bracket and click enter. So it's 6. So unwanted 4 spaces have been removed. So it has been converted from 10 to 4. So let's check for other 4 names. So you can see Purani from 11, it has been converted to 7. For Vishnupriya from 21, it has been converted to 12. For Kishore from 8, it has been converted to 7. For Trisha from 7, it has been converted to 6. Okay. Now let's see what is clean function in Excel. Clean function removes hidden non-printable characters that comes from PDF or copied data. So you can see this Trisha. Let me copy this and paste in a word form. When I paste it, you can see there is a dot and a paragraph symbol near Trisha. So there is a special characteristic that cannot be printed. So we need to remove it using clean function. So let's see how clean remove all these things. Equal to clean, CLEAN, clean. Let's open the bracket and select first name from student table and close it and click enter. So Arun. So let's follow the same formula for all other things. After using clean, the space will not be removed. Only the special characteristics or non-printable or hidden characteristics will be removed. So let's calculate the length of it. LEN. Let's open the bracket and select the text, close the bracket and click enter. Let's do for other 5 names also. Let's place the plus cursor and drag it till the last name. So I got 10, 11, 21, 8 and 7. So there is no change, only the special characteristic has been removed. Then what is substitute? Substitute helps you replace unwanted text on or characteristics. So using equal to substitute the text, first one. Let's select the first name in the student table and let's type character 100. So this is the number, this is the limit of the number. This is the limit of the characteristic that can be entered in student tab, comma. After a name there should be a space, right? So let's add a space between the and let's click enter. Let's apply the formula for all other 5 names which are in student table. So I have got these data after using the function substitute. Let's calculate the length of these characteristics. Equal to LEN. Let's open the bracket and click on the name that we got after using the function substitute and let's close the bracket and click enter. Let's apply the same formula for all other 5 names which we got after using the function substitute. So it's 10, 11, 21, 8 and 7. Using trim function, we are just removing the space. Using the clean function, we are removing the unwanted or non-printable characters that are entered in the data. Using substitute, we are cleaning the unwanted text or characters. So let's use all these 3 functions together: trim, clean and substitute. So all these things can be done at once. Equal to trim. Let's open the bracket and add the next function, clean, CLEAN. Let's open the bracket and add the next function, substitute, SUP, substitute. Let's select the first text, comma. I have already told character 100. Let's close the bracket and comma. Let's add a space. Close the bracket. I have closed the bracket for substitute. Let's close the bracket once again for clean. And for the last one, it's for trim. And click enter. So I got the answer. After trimming, cleaning and substituting the student name. Let's do it for all other 5 names. So you can see, instead of doing trim, clean and substitute separately, you can do all these 3 together in a single step. So it's a time saving. I hope you have understand how to combine trim, clean and substitute together. Thank you for watching this video. Practice these cleaning steps today. Let's see on day 5. Bye.